Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, everything is in the green and Doge is actually leading the chart when it comes to meme tokens. Now when we talk about the trading volume, even there Doge is dominating as it is being traded about $3 billion just in the last 24 hours. When you talk about the news, Get.io just gave Doge a trending score of 5 rockets. Now 3 altcoins that Coinbase is trying to get the futures of, Doge is one of them, and Dogecoin finally looks ready to rip higher, says a lot of crypto analysts. Now before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It will just help you to algorithm push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, to decide to buy into it. It starts backing up, all of us make a lot of profit. Now something important why I like to imagine we need a little bit more buzz around Doge is you need to understand, on Twitter a lot of people like to talk about Dogecoin, but when it comes to social media such as YouTube, there is a lot of YouTubers that make videos about Shiba Inu. Why? Because a lot of people want to search for it, and that is going to get them more views. So the best thing to do is those small amount of YouTubers that are trying to stay up to date with Dogecoin, try to support them. I'm not just talking about myself, but I'm talking about all the Dogecoin supporters, and also just try to support all the YouTubers. Now if we talk about Dogecoin's trading volume today, you can see that it might be up only a little bit, which is about 17%, which comparatively to the price, it is still quite high. You need to understand it is the 9th most traded crypto in the world, but that's not the big deal. The big deal is it is the most traded meme token today. Why is this so important? Because you guys need to pay attention. Now people have been talking about how Pepe and Flocky, they have been traded so significantly, but you need to pay attention to the market leader right now, which is obviously going to be Dogecoin, which has a trading volume higher than 3 billion. Why is this a big deal? Because you need to understand there is a lot of whales which are manipulating the market. Now is this a good thing? Well, it can be taken both ways, because if we pay attention to this whale, after they were purchasing today, they decided to sell close to $10 million worth of Doge in the morning, and then right now they just sold another $15 million worth of Doge, and this is the second largest Dogecoin wallet in the world. Now if we talk about this wallet, on the other hand, you can see that their selling power is actually becoming a little bit stronger compared to their buying power. I mean, the trades they do per day is quite significant, but if you look at the overall trend, you can see that their purchase power or balance of Doge is starting to go up, but there was a little bit of decline when we did see obviously the overall trend shift. Another thing which is important is a lot of people are talking about one day Cyber Doge paid with Dogecoin. I mean, hey, this could be possible, because I know a lot of people want to buy the Cybertruck using Dogecoin, and Elon accepting that they might be accepting Dogecoin as a form of payment in the future. This could actually come to reality. Now if we talk about Get.io, if you do not know, this is an exchange which a lot of people use. It is 1.4 million followers on Twitter. Today they decided to tweet out saying trending coin Dogecoin, meme coin on fire, Doge leads the charge with a 17% surge, and you can see that the trending score is really high and Doge has so much potential to keep going. That's exactly what they're trying to explain. Now a lot of people don't understand how big of a deal this is for Litecoin, Dogecoin and Bitcoin Cash, because Coinbase derivatives plan to list features for Dogecoin and all of that, aiming on the 1st of April. Now if this is passed and everything goes smoothly, trust me, this is going to play such a crucial role, because this will bring so much industrial money into crypto, and personally I feel like that's obviously going to play a huge role. The initiative seeks to expand Coinbase offering, awaits the CFTC node post self-certificate filing. Market responds positive to this development, and this is one of the reasons why the market was able to get out of the bearish trend and actually make it all the way into an uptrend, which we are in right now. I mean, the last 7 days was a little scary for a lot of crypto holders, but this was one of the biggest things that actually helped to push this up. Now why is this a big deal? Because what is Coinbase strategy with the future listing? The filing flew under the radar, initially escaping the community's attention, but later it got so much attention, everyone is talking about it. Importantly, Coinbase has opted for the self-certificate under the regulation, a move that escalates the listing process by direct CFT approval. Now transitioning into the regulatory navigation, Coinbase will be able to get this sorted, and following the announcement experienced significant increase. And let's just say if this goes as a plan, well, this will have a lot of potential. What I'm trying to say is, let's just look at this. Right now, the 3-day 1-week time frame on altcoins versus Bitcoin chart is loading to the biggest bullish divergence in history, stretching, and you can see that right now there was a little bit of downtrend, but it is clearly forming an uptrend, and the altcoins are getting ready to go very explosive. And that is when we pretty much got this news. So as you can see, XRP lawyer reacts as the Coinbase announces Dogecoin future listing, and his reaction was very interesting. Meanwhile, XRP lawyer expressed dismay, highlighting Coinbase historical lack of support for XRP. Besides, this move from lending crypto exchange comes despite XRP's popularity and within the crypto market, leaving many questioning the exchange behind the selection for assets for future trading. Let's just say that XRP lawyer is not very happy that they did not take XRP as one of the options and decided on Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Now, Coinbase plans the future, says the Doge has transitioned into a meme origin. Now, Coinbase derivative quietly filed the certificate, and then they filed them on the 7th of March. Surprisingly, nobody seemed to notice it, but then now everyone has been paying attention to it. Now, keep in mind, when this goes live, there will be so much money that will be flowing into these 3 tokens, and Dogecoin will be the leading chart because it is making so many headlines right now. Now, if we talk about this is pretty much what the army is trying to do right now: stick together, and that's exactly what we are doing. Dogecoin finally looks ready to rip higher, says a big one. Finally looks ready to rip higher again. Nice off the long drawn out down on the USD Bitcoin pair after that initial February impulse. I mean, this next impulse is obviously going to send us much higher, and the gains can be really extreme. Dogecoin surges 17%. The bounce back is going to make some people extremely rich. Personally, I feel like the bounce back is going to be much higher than what we experienced when we went from about 6 cents to 15. The next one's going to be from 15 to $1, and that will be in a short time. Dogecoin future trading, Coinbase will offer Doge derivatives, and these derivatives is going to bring a lot of financial money into this token. Personally, I feel like Doge has still so much way to go. A lot of people just need to be a little cautious if you're leverage trading especially. Other than that, just pay attention to the whale activity, and you'll realize that the whales are very ready to push the Doge price well above the numbers that you can imagine. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you enjoyed the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.